At Eau Gallie Electric, we've upgraded this waterfront property by installing a new sub-panel at the Cabana, ensuring reliable power for both the boathouse and boat lift. Our team ran new wiring to provide dedicated power for boat lighting, charging, and lift operation. We also installed new lights, switches, and lift motor controls, enhancing functionality and convenience for the homeowner. This project is another example of our commitment to delivering high-quality electrical solutions that meet the unique needs of our clients. If you're looking for top-tier electrical work, contact us today for a free estimate.